Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Snapchat app. Now once done, go to the top left and tap on your Bitmoji, your story, or your profile right here. Tap on it. Now once done, go to the top right and tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down and find the account action section. Okay, right here at the very bottom. Okay, now in here, as you can see, we have blocked users. Just tap on it. Now as you can see here, I have this friend blocked. Now yours might be different. You will be able to see a ton of people right here in the list. So just go ahead and find the name and then go to the right side of the screen, and here we have the X button. To unblock them, just tap on the X button. It says here you should want to unblock this Snapchatter. So just tap on yes, and once done, you're good to go. And do take note, when you unblock them, you will have to add them again for you to be friends again. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.